Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding local peaks is a classic challenge. We must fill in the missing loop header to count these values correctly. To identify local maximum values, the code checks if an element is greater than both neighbors. This requires accessing index p-1 and p+1 inside the loop body. That means p cannot be 0 because p-1 would be out of bounds. Similarly, p cannot be the last index because p+1 would also cause an error. The loop must start at index 1 and end before the last element. This makes option E the only safe choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to prevent index errors. Trust the given bounds and check your steps.